Tonight, coronavirus cases across the country are spiking. Hospitalizations and deaths are quickly following. You're taking a live look at Huntsville from the Way 31 Skycam network. North Alabama by no means immune to this most recent surge. Health experts and hospital leaders are doing all they can to keep the situation under control. Concerns over that spike are closing schools and impacting travel just in time for Thanksgiving. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Dan Schaefer.
And I'm Naja Sherman. Tonight, local leaders in Madison County are sharing their concerns about an increase in coronavirus cases in the area. Huntsville Madison County Emergency Management Director Jeff Birdwell told Way 31, with us only being 12 days into November, we're already seeing 62% the total number of cases that we had for all of October. Birdwell says the county is on pace to hit 2,400 total cases this month. Way 31's Sydney Martin joins us live in Huntsville with more on the spike in cases. Sydney.
Huntsville Hospital CEO David Spillers told me that he believes that this spike, that they're watching the spike closely and they expect it to peak at either the end of this month or early next month. He told me with the upcoming holidays and businesses back open, he wants people to follow COVID-19 guidelines to stop the spread. He said right now the hospital is looking at different models that predict the hospitalizations will peak with about 125 coronavirus inpatients in the end of November or beginning of December. That number of inpatients is what they saw when hospitalization surged back in August. He explained 1 out of 5 people who get tested for COVID are testing positive, and he thinks employers should start having any employees who can work from home again. Take a listen.
All the COVID that's in the community right now, I think businesses should relook at if employees can work at home, make sure they are working at home. You want people to not socialize and transmit the virus, but it's very hard for people to do that. And so far, virtually every holiday has led to an increase in the number of cases in the community.
Now, Spillers told me he believes that a lot of cases that are happening in the workplace are happening because people are letting down their guard, not wearing their mask, or staying in rooms with other coworkers for too long, unmasked and too close together. He said he hopes this serves as a reminder to everyone to wear a mask, sanitize, and stay separated. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, Way 31 News.
Thank you, Sydney. Spillers also gave us an update on coronavirus testing within the Huntsville Hospital system. He says until now, about 10% of COVID tests came back positive. Recently, that number is up to 18%. The hospital is seeing an increase in the number of patients visiting their fever and flu clinic with flu symptoms. Spillers says most of them end up testing positive for COVID. Madison County's EMA Director Jeff Birdwell says the fever and flu clinic is reporting 30% positivity rates. Spillers says the hospital doesn't plan on reopening its mobile drive-through testing site at John Hunt Park at this time, and that's because there are so many options to get tested in the community now. But they're ready to mobilize if it's necessary.